I'm going to show you how to customize your desktop in Windows 11 by enlarging your icons. Stay with me until the end for a free bonus. Making the taskbar icons larger. Larger icons are easier to see and click, especially if you have vision challenges. And to make the icons larger, I will right click anywhere here on the empty space. And then I'll click display settings with the left. And now I'm going to find scale, which is right here. I'm going to change it from 100% to 150% so I can see everything. I'm going to close the window. Everything on the screen now, including the taskbar, is now larger and easier to see. Don't forget to grab your free bonus. I put the written instructions in a free download for you. You'll find the link below this video in the first pinned comment. Just click it when you're ready. You can print it or save it to your computer. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and please leave me a comment on what subject you'd like me to teach on next. Thanks for coming.